Well, let's take you back live right now to the Charleston Harbor, the coast. We've been watching it, and it's kind of crazy to see that blue sky peeking through right now. I don't know if we were expecting that, Kendra.
Yeah, well, the eye is kind of close. I mean, we're in between rain bands. The eye is just south of them right now. Wow. But yeah, you get that eerie clearing, and then all of a sudden, heavy rain comes back.
Oh, yes. Our meteorologists have been tracking that tropical storm Danny there, and they join us with what to expect now.
Yeah, absolutely. We're going to have impacts locally, and we're going to talk to Bob more about those model interpretations of that coming up in just a second. Here's the latest stats on Danny, though. It has strengthened a bit before it makes landfall. 45-mile-per-hour winds currently, and it's moving at about 16 miles per hour. So at least it is on the move. It's not going to sit over the same spots, cause any major flooding as it looks right now, but still going to have some flood issues since this is the low country. It can't take that much water, and there's going to be a few inches of rain with this. Charleston under a tropical storm warning all the way down towards Savannah, and Savannah is getting hit the hardest with the heavy downpours right now. Charleston seeing scattered light rain, and as we saw just a moment ago, peaks of sunshine in between. Now, as this tracks to our south, you'll see that it's going to likely be a depression into tomorrow morning and then move across the Atlanta area as a remnant area of low pressure, but still bring us some increased moisture and the potential for at least a few pockets of heavy rain. So heavy rain and gusty wind along the coast tonight, and then scattered rain Tuesday for us, and it'll be breezy as well. Should move out on Tuesday night, and then we'll be left with a more typical summer pattern when it comes to those pop-up showers and storms. But for more on it, I want to pitch it over to meteorologist Bob Trihey. This has been kind of a crazy system. It has developed so quickly.
No kidding.
And it just keeps intensifying. I'm glad it's going to be on land soon.
Yeah, and I was covering it yesterday, Kendra, and it was just a little wave, a little trough. And then I think it hit the Gulf Stream waters, then boom. That's what we have right now. We're lucky that Danny's running out of water to strengthen because we could be looking at a problem. But we are looking at one of our high-resolution models. We like to look at these because it gets a little clearer as far as what we're looking at. Now, by 6 p.m., you can see the circulation of Danny making landfall somewhere between Savannah and Charleston. You can see the bands of precipitation, also some of that clearing like we just saw in Charleston. Now, as we go through time, by 11:30 p.m., you can see how the system is moving into eastern Georgia, and by 4:30 a.m. it's between Macon and Atlanta. But here come the showers into our southern counties as we go into Tuesday morning, and they start to spread out even more by 8:30 as we're seeing the center of the remnants of Danny over Atlanta. And then with the heating of the day, look at this, lots of showers and storms, very heavy rain, could be blinding tropical rain and flash flooding with these cells moving from southeast to northwest across the area. Tuesday 3:30 p.m. still some showers and storms hanging on. And it looks like more showers and storms still lingering on into Tuesday evening. And then finally, it starts to wind down around 9 p.m. As far as rainfall amounts, it really could vary. This is not etched in stone. This is one model's depiction, but we certainly could be looking at least 1.5 inches of rain, maybe 2, maybe more, if you get under one of these heavier downpours. So we'll certainly be watching this tomorrow for that risk of heavy rain, especially late morning into the afternoon hours.